Welcome to Keb and Crew channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Keb. And that's No, my little son. And then you have Daddy right over there. Thanks for stopping by. And we hope you keep coming back. I am going to make some shepherd's pie with a twist. I came to Canada and I learned that shepherd's pie is a Canadian dish, so I'm doing it the Jamaican way. So I have my pot here. I have my potato already cooked. I have my gravy. I use this little package for my gravy, and I have my cheese and my veggies. So I'm going to saute my veggies. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter into the pot, and then my veggies are tomatoes. I had 2 pegs of garlic, bell peppers, onions, and this is the kicker, a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to throw everything in. I'm just going to saute this for like 2 minutes. Smells good already. In the meantime, I am going to drain my potatoes. So I normally cook my potatoes with the skin on because I'm being lazy. But anyway, the skin is good for you. So in a minute, I'll add my ground beef. Then I'm going to wash my hands. All right, so we're going to cook this until it's brown. Then I'm going to add some seasoning. I have some smoked paprika, about 2 tablespoons. Then a little black pepper. Then of course garlic powder, a whole lot. Making a mess. Then I have some seasoned salt. This is the Larry's seasoned salt. So it's very salty, so you have to be careful how much you put in there. So remember, this is different from how Canadians do it. Then I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. That was about a tablespoon. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. I'll be right back. I would say about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. See, it's coming together. My potatoes, oh, making a mess. Mashing my potatoes. I'm gonna add a little milk to it, to the potato. I'd say probably half a cup. Harder to mash with the skin on. And I'm going to add a little bit of butter. See, it's getting brown. Just let it cook a little bit more. While I keep mashing the potatoes. This is a workout. And I think I'm going to take this off the stove now. So I'm going to pour it in my dish here. Then I'm going to add the gravy. The stove now. So I'm going to pour it in my dish here. Then I'm going to add the gravy. I'm going to mix everything in. I don't know if you can see this. Keep mashing my potatoes. Now I'm going to add my potatoes to my meat. Just spreading the potato over the meat. Then, this is what I do. I'm gonna add some cheese. Feel free to use your fingers. Then I'm going to add the rest of potatoes. Like baking a cake. Alright, I just have a little bit left. Where's my little? Just sealing the ends. Then I'm gonna add the rest of cheese on top. And then a little bit of smoked paprika on top. So here, I'm just gonna put this in the oven. The oven is at 350, so I'm gonna leave it in for 15 minutes. And that's it, done. So when it's finished, my big son, he always do my taste testing. So I'll let him do that and show you. So that's the Jamaican shepherd's pie with a twist. Okay, so this is the finished product. As you can see, the cheese is melted. And normally, I think here they would cut the shepherd's pie, but in this house we spoon it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit out of it and show you. So this is a big meal. This can last probably for the next 3 days. So I'm gonna just put the spoon in and spoon it. There you go. So that's the Jamaican shepherd's pie. It looks good. I'm gonna try it. Let me try it. And it's hot. So good. It's good. Thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you enjoy it and check the recipe out and try it. The Jamaican shepherd's pie.